what are some of the best and worst things about working with EEG in your experience?
Yeah. So because I've been using EEG for quite some time now, I definitely am, biased towards it. And I think it can reveal so much about the brain, and it's also fairly portable. So for example, we are able to, if we wanted to, take it outside of the lab as well,
Hmm.
and quite easily implement it. So that's, I think, one of the really nice benefits of EEG. The challenges sometimes is, depending on the electrodes and the system itself, the system that we have ones that are, that uses water, which is really
Hmm.
nice. And then there's a little bit less goop in the hair.
Yeah.
And so it's a little easier to clean out for sure on the side of the participants. There are also systems that, involve gel. And so we, in squirting a lot of gel onto participants' head to facilitate the recording, we do find that it ends up being there's a lot of gel on the participant's head. So, they'll have to eventually wash it out after
Hmm.
the recording. And I think one of the other challenges is that at the moment, it's still quite, I think, difficult to get a clean signal when there's a lot of movements involved, right?
Yeah.
So the brain signal is actually quite small compared to all the other activities that we do that could end up, being seen in the brain signal that we record from EEG. And so that's, I think, one of the major challenges, and would be really nice to resolve at some point if we can actually record EEG while participants are moving around and talking and
Hmm.
whatnot.